Filmator. Welcome to this mini tutorial on how to add a watermark to your video using an image. First, make sure you have a video clip on a video track in your project. Then, create a new video track or overlay track if you're using a GIF or text and place it on top of the existing track. This is important because if the new track is placed below the existing video track, the image won't be visible. Next, drag and drop your image onto the new track. Then, match the duration of the image with the duration of the clip to have the watermark showing throughout the video. You can use the side controls on the clip or the duration option to do this. Now you can use the transformation tools to resize and position the image or use the picture-in-picture options to easily place it in a corner of the video. If the image is still too big, you can adjust its position using the transformation tools. To add some extra flair to your watermark, try adding a shadow by going to the Layers menu and selecting Shadow. You can adjust the intensity, color, and inset of the shadow to get the desired look. Finally, make your watermark more dynamic by adding a motion effect, such as a pulse. And that's it. You've now easily added a watermark to your video with some extra effects to make it more engaging. Thanks for following along, and see you on the next tutorial.